Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store to TikTok. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, right in the upper right corner. You can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting to TikTok. What we're looking for is right here at the left side screen. You want to open up the sales channels. After opening up the sales channels, you can see this is going to enable us to sell everywhere we want. And if you scroll down a bit, we are going to find all the social media we can connect to, guys. And you can see sell on online marketplaces. This is where we can go ahead and connect our TikTok account and start promoting the products on the world's busiest social media app. So what you want to do is click the learn more option right here next to TikTok. Clicking learn more is going to go ahead and open up this page where we can get started upgrading to advertise on TikTok. So you're going to need an upgrade plan. So basically guys, upgrade your plan if you do not already have an upgrade plan, and after that an install button is going to appear right here. That's going to enable you to connect your store to TikTok, so you can connect your TikTok store with Ecwid and then list all your products there, advertise, and so on, so you can go ahead and get started with your store. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.